Okay, so before starting the session, if anyone is having any questions, you can please let me know about the course or anything. Okay, you both are from which background? Mine's education. CSC, both of ECA. Okay. Can you all see the screen? Online students, can you all see the screen? Okay. Can you all see the screen? Yes. You can just reply in the chat box, or you can just unmute and let me know if you have any questions throughout the session. Okay. As I introduced already, just once again I'm introducing since new people have joined. So myself Likita, I'm a Java full stack trainer here working. Okay, so I will be handling your full stack Java completely. Like whatever the modules are there in full stack, completely I will be handling the codes. Okay, so throughout this session and every day, if you are having any questions, you can unmute and ask me, or you can just message in the chat box so that I can answer. Okay. Okay, as I introduce now, beginning with the session for the full stack, first I will tell you what we are going to learn through this course and what are the modules that we are going to cover in this full stack Java. See, when you wanted to join for any course, first of all, we should know what are the things we are going to learn by joining this course, right? So, in this full stack Java, okay, what you are having in this course is like you might have already have some idea, just I'm giving you the basic modules. So here totally we categorized complete full stack into three modules. The first one we can consider, now we are starting with backend. So, why we are learning this course? To develop some real time applications, right? What kind of applications? Something like Google. In the Google, you see like Gmail, Facebook, any real time bank applications, any library management, any Amazon, Flipkart. There are so many applications, right? Mobile applications are there, and also desktop applications are there. Yes or no? In mobile also nowadays, for groceries you have Jepto, Blinkit, like this. If you wanted to go from one location to another location also, you also have this Rapido, Uber, like this. These are all some real time applications. So by learning this course, you will be also able to develop some real time applications. So for developing any real time applications, we need to learn three modules. The first one in the back end, here in you will be learning what? Java. And next you will be also having what? Front end. What does this front end is having? In background some code you have to write to execute your application. Front end, you will be seeing some application, right? Like whenever you are opening any Amazon or Flipkart in the Google page, you can see like Amazon. I'm right typing Amazon login. So here you can see some page where you are having the login option and everything. This front view has to come, right? These all you can develop with the front end. In this front end, you are going to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and in this JavaScript you will also learn jQuery, and you will be learning the framework. For every module you will be having the frameworks that you are going to learn. React JS. Usually you will be having React JS or Angular JS. Now as a demand we have more on React JS only, so you will be learning what? React JS. But through the end of the course, if we get any opportunity for Angular JS, we will try to give Angular JS notes also and few classes on Angular JS, and we can also provide some recordings on that if any opportunity comes. But as of now, everything was in demand on React applications only. Okay, so we will be learning teaching backend complete Java, and in the front end you will be learning the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the framework is React JS or Angular JS. So you will be learning each and everything in depth. But why front end? To the front view of your application as a user interface. Okay, and then next, we you will also learn database. What is that? Database. Why we require database and what is this database? You know, backend Java is for coding and front end is for what? View. And here the database is for storing information or storing huge amount of data. Storing what? Huge amount of data. Means what? See now, 10 students are there in my class, so I can easily store them in a book and make their attendance or when they has come, what course they have joined, I can easily make a note. But in a company, in a real time company, there will be lakhs of employees. Yes or no? Is it possible to store their information in a book or a file? It is not possible, no. You, I think everyone have a Facebook connect, Facebook ID. Is it possible to store Facebook team to store their information in a book? No. When I give your login and password, it is opening your Facebook ID only. Yes or no? How it is opening? Your ID and password is stored somewhere. Correct or not? By checking your ID and password, if it exactly matches, your Facebook page will open. Otherwise, it will tell password is wrong or ID is wrong. It will tell. How it is telling? Somewhere it is checking. So there is a database which is storing all the information that you are typing. Got it? All the information, whatever you are creating. When you are creating first time Facebook ID, it will ask name, email ID, mobile number, and your details, right? Those all it is saving somewhere. And when you are clicking again, it is fetching from there. So for storing that information, we need what? Database. Understood? For the view, we need the front end. For connecting your application, we need the back end. And database is used for storing the information. All these three, when you learn, you can develop the real-time application. What you will learn in this database? Through the Oracle, you can learn Oracle or MySQL, but now we are teaching what? Oracle. If you are using MySQL also, you can parallelly learn that. In Oracle, you will be learning basically SQL and PLSQL languages. Both you will be learning. Understood? So this is a common language for any database, SQL and PLSQL. If further, ma'am, you are teaching with Oracle database, but I have MySQL database, or in one company they are using PostgreSQL or any different database. No problem. This is a common language. If you learn this, you can work on any database because the queries are same. Few syntax differences are there. Other than that, no problem. So if that we will be teaching in the database. Along with this, we will also teach some basic concepts of database, like what is a database management system, what is a relational database management system, these things, and then normalization. Like this, we teach a few concepts also. Why? Because in your resume, if you put database, they will not just ask SQL and PLSQL. They will also ask a few concepts of database also. Okay, yes, please come. They will ask you few basic concepts of database. What is database? Now I have told you, right? Those all information in depth you will be learning in the database when you are learning the database. Okay, is it clear everyone? Are you following? Mahesh, Chendu, Shrikant. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Swapnil. Okay. Am I clear? Audible? If I am very fast or something, you can please let me know. Okay. So these are the things that you are going to learn in your full stack. What? In the back end, you will be learning Java, and in the front end, yes. And in the front end, you are learning HTML and all this and database. And the total duration of this course will be 6 to 7 months. It will be almost like 6 to 7 months. That will be the duration of your course. Okay, and in the back end, I said you will be learning Java, right? So again in Java, what are they? You will be learning core Java. What is that? Core Java. And then next you will be learning advanced Java, and then frameworks. So you should know, right, what and all we are going to learn when we learn Java. So here in the core, you will learn all the core concepts of your Java. In advanced Java, you will be learning JDBC, servlets, and then JSP with expression language EL. So these are the things you are going to learn in advance. Core, all the OOPS concepts and everything, multi-threading, all you will be learning in the core Java. Advanced Java, you will learn these modules, JDBC, servlets, and JSP, where you can develop a real-time applications. And next, frameworks, very important. Now, without learning these frameworks, it is impossible to get a job. So what frameworks are now available with the Java? Spring, and then Spring Boot, and then Hibernate ORM tool. These are the frameworks you are going to learn. Got it? So in full stack course, we are dividing the course into three modules: back end, front end, and then what? Database. All this will be covered totally in almost 6 to 7 months. In between holidays, everything I'm telling, maximum you will be completing in what? 7 months. Okay, 6 to 7 months you will be completing. So first we are now starting with Java. So the Java will be continuing like this. So how you will do? Every time when we start a new batch, we will start with 1 hour or 1.5 hour session. Java will be going on for 1 month or 1.5 month. Along with that, once you have completed almost half of the module one, or after a 1 month, we will start what? Parallelly database. Okay, database will take only like a 1 month of duration. Both SQL and PLSQL you will complete in what? 1 month. So in this 1 month, parallelly you will be learning Java as well as SQL, Oracle also. So in first 3 to 3.5 months, you will complete module one and database also. And remaining 3.5 months, you will be learning what? Framework. So that overall you will be completing in 6 to 7 months. Okay. Beginning only, we will not start two modules at a time, because when you are learning for the first time, we will be teaching like from the scratch. So you will have to learn, and you have to do lot of assignments and MCQ test and everything will be there. It is difficult to learn both. When you are practicing and you are for 1.5 month you are practicing, you will get the coding knowledge. Then it is easy to learn two things. So after 3.5 months, we will be again starting what? Front end. Then you will be doing that. Okay. And this also, like back end, let us say it will be completed in 3.5 months. And then here also this 1 month. And again, you will be completing this and another 3 to 3.5 months. Overall, this you will be learning parallelly, right? So that we will be completing in 6 to 7 months at it. Got it? This is about the duration and the course that you are going to learn. Okay. And when we are teaching Java, we will be teaching all the concepts from depth. Okay. So here, different streams of students will come. Maybe some people are from CSC background or from degree where they have learned few programming concepts. And there are few people which are coming from triple E or ECE, or who do not have the programming knowledge at all. They will come. Yes or no? So now we will consider everyone as same and we'll teach from scratch, like what is a program and what is Java, who invented it, what is the process. Step by step we will be going, because we want everyone to understand. Okay, so if you ask me what is the prerequisite to learn this course, to join this course, I will tell nothing. Prerequisite means what? Should I know anything to learn this previously? Nothing is there. You are from any educational background or anything, you can start learning this. No problem if you are from triple E or ECE or anything, you can start learning this course. No issue at all. So you can learn, and we will be teaching this from the scratch, and you can easily work out on that. And next, how the teaching process will be there here is, every day, now this is your course I have started, every day like this running notes will be there. Suppose now I'm teaching about like core Java, I will write the running notes like this. What is core Java, and what are the important points in it, I will be writing. So every day I will be sharing this running notes for you, whatever I am typing. You can also make a note if you want. Along with that, every day you can note the running notes, and I will share this to your Google Classroom ID. Everyone, once our batch is formed after the demo sessions, your one group will be formed for all of us in WhatsApp. There you can share all your queries, like suppose you have a doubts or anything anytime, you can share, I will be answering, or maybe your friends everyone will be there, they also will share their inputs in the group. And for you all, one Google Classroom is created once the demos are done. Every day notes will be sent to you. Not only the notes, running notes. For every topic, we have a document. We have what? Document. The document is also shared. Something like if you're talking about Java, see like this, I have a full stack Java module. In this, for constructor, I have notes for each and every topic. Introduction to Java. So if it is there, today I have taught you, maybe in the demo 2 session or demo 3, I may have teach you what is Java and what are the concepts of Java. This document I will be sharing with you, so that what, along with the running notes, you can also go through the document about everyday topic. Got it? You will be sharing the notes and the document. You can go through it. And when we start doing the programs, I will share the programs. So, three things you will be getting: running notes, document, and the coding part. Everything you will be getting. Got it? And programs also. So, this is what you are going to gain by joining the full stack module. And along with this, you will be having weekly MCQ test. What is that? Multiple choice question test, weekly compulsory you will be having. So from Monday to Friday your classes will be there. Saturday and Sunday is for the practice session for whole week. So whatever topics we are covering from Monday to Friday, that we will be giving test on next coming week. Again on Monday you will come, right? On Monday or Tuesday you will be having test. Now online students are there and offline students are there. Online students, they we will be sending the link in the group, and offline students you can write here. Okay, no problem, both will be writing at a time. At the end of the session I will be giving you test, you can write down the test. Got it? And along with MCQ test, you will also have the uh, interviews also. Weekly you will be having the interviews. What interviews? They will send a link for you, you have to schedule an interview. At least if weekly, if it is not possible also, 2 weeks once you have to compulsory schedule what? Interview. Okay, you will be having this interview going on whatever topics that have been covered. They will send a form to you in your group. You have to fill the form and you have to tell on which module you are going to give. So weekly MCQ test will be there, and also 2 weeks once you have to give what? Interview on whatever topics that have been covered. Why we are making this compulsory is, when suddenly some company comes for interview, you should be ready. You may be listening, practicing, but what we will do when they tell that interview is there, at that point of time start preparing. Yes or no? So we need to do learn completely. So we will be giving test. Yes, anyone have any question? So yes, Chendu, you need core Java. Yes, we will be starting with core Java. Since today is demo session, I want to give clarity for whatever topics we are going to cover, and I will tell what is Java and all. And further, first we will be going with the core Java. See here, this is for full stack. If you are joining for full stack, you will learn all these things. If you are joining only for core and advanced Java, you can also learn that. Okay, but if you're learning full stack, you will be going to learn all this front end, back end, database, everything. But if it is your choice, if you want only the core and advanced part or only core Java, if you are already knowing the front end part very much, then you can learn core and advanced also. That is also there. But you have advantages like if you are learning complete full stack, that I am just discussing. Okay.
Need only front end.
Okay, you can also learn only front end, only core Java and advanced Java, everything you
I
can
know
learn.
I know all the back end and code Java, but I need only front end.
Okay, yes, you can talk to the admin. Only front end also you can learn in this module.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, anything you can choose it. Okay, so every 2 weeks you will be having interviews, and we will also provide you like you have to do everyday assignments. Today I cover a topic, I will be giving you an assignment. So you have to complete that assignment. Maybe first week you have to adjust and learn the course. From the second or third week, all this will be starting. So there will be mentors in the lab. Every day assignment you have to show to the mentor, and your mock interview score, and the every 2 weeks whatever you are giving the interview score, everything will be stored, everything will be maintained in the excel sheet, so that when companies comes, we have to send the worthful candidates, right? So everyone will get definitely opportunity, everyone will be going to the company for the interview when opportunity comes. As soon as the test is done, we will see the score, suppose, and they will give us a like a comment also, like a suggestion why you are getting. Suppose out of 10, few people got 7 and few people got 5, only 5 score or 7 score, like this you will be having. So they will give the suggestion. They are very good at technical, but they are not, their communication is has to be improved. Yes or no? So those suggestions we will just come bring it to you and we'll suggest you. We will tell like, okay, you're technically good, but you have to improve in the communication, and we will concentrate more on that. And some people communication will be good, technically they may not be so strong. So we will ask them where they are lagging. Like, are you practicing properly? Are you doing assignments properly? Or if you attend also, are you not understanding the concepts? Do you want any other extra explanation? These all things we'll consider, and we will give one more interview chance and further improvement. Only this tests are for what? For analyzing and giving you much improvement in your scores, so that when company comes, we will send all you to the interviews. And there is no rule that till you complete full stack Java we will not send for interviews. Sometimes the opportunity comes for core Java or advanced Java. As soon as it is completed, if some company comes, we will send to you. And also if you have started with front end is completed, then we can send interview for what? Front end. Like the data, sometimes the opportunity comes only for on database. So module wise also you will be sending for the interviews. Got it? So the as soon as you complete the module, you will be taking the test, and based upon that we will suggest you for the improvements, and then we will send for what? Company interviews. Clear everyone? Online students, is it clear? So how does the interview training will be there? Means based upon your score, based upon your score we will suggest you. And yes, how the interview training will be there, these all like full stack module course, right? Along with this, we are from past few batches we have started free of communication and aptitude classes also. Okay, so someone is asking like, are you providing any special training for the interview training and mock interviews? Means yes, that will be covered in the communication and aptitude. Generally, what if you join for full stack Java, you will be learning all those modules. But what is the problem we are facing is when they go for the company interview, what is the first test? Tell me. Aptitude. You know, technically good, but aptitude, if you are not knowing, you are not getting a chance to attend technical round. That is a problem right now. Many people, we are seeing that issue. They're very good technical, they're learning, their score is good, but what is the problem? They're not able to do the aptitude test. Many people are getting rejected there only, even though they are very good at technical. So what we have started, we have started both aptitude and communication classes. For 1 month you will be learning only one part, only one module, because it is hectic. So as soon as 1 month gets over, or in between 1 month or end of 1 month, we will be starting communication and aptitude classes along with the module, Java module or front end module. You will be additionally learning this weekly, 3 days communication and 3 days aptitude, or sometimes on Saturdays. We'll plan according to your timings and according to your flexibility only. So trainer is there for both aptitude and communication, so you can learn that. And in the communication classes, you will be learning from basic things, how to speak. You will be having all the sessions where you can participate yourself, like you will be able to speak before everyone, and they will teach all grammar, how to speak, how to answer the interview questions, how to attend any interview, these all. And also we will help you in the resume preparation also. What is that? Resume. We will give you like, once you are ready with few parts of course, then we will ask you to prepare one resume, and we will provide you the sample resumes, how you should. That is also very important, no? As a fresher, they will see how you have designed your resume, what projects you have done, these all you have to mention in the resume. So we will also help in this resume preparation by providing previous resumes and telling you what modifications you have to make in the resume. Clear everyone? Okay. Yes, we will be providing these classes and the resume, communication and aptitude. Because when you join a company, they will teach you technically. If you are getting out of 10, 6 or 7 also, they may think that we can give training and they will select you. But no one will give you the communication training, no? Aptitude also, okay, somehow you learned. But communication, no one will teach. You know the answer, but you are not nervous, or you are not able to tell. Then what will happen? No one will select you. So that is the reason communication also we are giving very importance here, and we are teaching. And you have to utilize this opportunity, because all course we will be teaching full stack modules, but this communication we will give you the information. You have to come and join. If you miss those sessions, no, you have to be very much careful, and you have to be strict that I have to learn this, and then you have to come. And every day attendance will be there. Clear? And ma'am, how to put the projects in the resume? Every module I will be making you to do one project. Got it? Suppose you are doing on front end or back end or anything. If you are doing on front end, HTML, you will be doing one project. Both HTML and CSS, you will be doing one project. Combining HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you will be doing one project. And after this, you will be learning React JS as a framework. This also you will be doing complete one project on all these things. And after this, on backend also, you will be having the project, right? On backend, like core Java, advanced Java, and Spring. All these three separately, you will be doing one project. As soon as module is getting completed, covering all the topics, I will give you one project. Okay, so that you will be doing any student library or bank application, anything, to do list or product management, e-commerce, like that module wise we will be giving you the projects. Those all projects you put in your resume. It will give you an enhancement to your resume, and you can easily crack the interview. Okay. And we will also provide the like internship. What is that internship? So, what is that internship you have? Along with the course, we will be give you 6 months internship certificate. 6 months what? Internship certificate. Means after completing 3 to 4 months of your course, we will be starting one project, full time project. Module wise, single project you will be doing. Along with that, for complete full stack Java, we will take one project like a library or e-commerce. We'll take one project. In that, if you are completing front end, you will start with front end part. If you are completing back end, you will start with what? Back end part, and you will start doing the project. And that, even though you do last 2 to 3 months the project, you will get from our parent company Yokta Technology 6 months internship certificate. Nowadays the job has become little tough, right? And if you are doing already the course and one project on this, that if you put in your resume, you will get the first preference. Simply keeping one project, what they will ask, definitely questions. If you tell 6 months I have done internship on so and so company, what they will do, they will ask questions on that project. If you're not doing that project, we cannot answer those questions at all. But how our teaching will be there? Along with teaching, we will also make you separate projects, and full project you will be doing by yourself. Mini projects I will help. Full time project I will give you the requirements. Already few people are doing it. I will give you day wise requirement, day 1, day 2, like that complete project. We will provide you screenshots, everything. You have to do complete it and do it. So later when you put that project in your resume, if they ask questions, you will tell because you only have done it, no? It will be easy for you to answer all those questions also. So this will be there. Okay, 6 months internship, and the project will be there where you can do it and put it that in the resume. Okay. So for all these things to be successfully done, important things are like attendance is compulsory. What is that? Attendance, either online or offline. You can switch from online to offline, no problem. Okay, today you are coming for offline, and maybe after, in the duration of 6 to 7 months course, in between you have some emergency, or you cannot come, you went to your hometown, you can attend online also. And those who are attending online, you can shift to offline also, there is no problem. Both is there, both are possible. Only thing is you have to put a message, ma'am, today I'm attending online, or today I'm joining for the offline. And in any case, if you're not able to join the session at all, both online and offline, you will be missing the session, no? But here we have a good opportunity of recording, listening to the what? Recordings. So everyday class, whatever I am teaching, that will be recorded with the video. Whatever the class I am taking every day, that is recorded with the video. So what will happen, even though you attend or you are not attending, every day along with the three things like notepad, whatever running notes, document, programs, you will also receive the recording of my class every day throughout your 7 months. Daily recording you will be getting. Once the class is done, they will take 2 hours time to just edit it or keep it in a format, and they will send to your Google Classroom. Then what will happen, suppose you miss any session, you can go through the recording. And also sometimes when you listen in the class also, you will get some doubts. You can just open the recording and then go through the recording once and make your own notes also. Okay. And how many days this recordings will be available, ma'am? For 1 year from your joining of the course. Okay, not only the 6 to 7 months, after that also you can go through it. Once your course is completed, you got the job, or you're still waiting for the job, you can go through the recording. Sometimes when we listen only, we will understand instead of just reading. So that throughout the 1 year, you can go back to the recordings that are available with you and then go through it. Understood? Clear, everyone? So you, along with the notes, mock interviews, and the MCQ test. These we call it as mock interviews every 2 weeks. Compulsory throughout your full stack, you have to give 7 to 8 mock interviews, and attendance should be at least 80% of attendance should be there. And mock interviews and mock test score should be above 6. If you get less, we will give more training for you. That's it. If you get all these things, your job will be like for sure you will be getting it. Opportunities, you have to see when the opportunity comes, you should be ready, right? So these are the things we are giving you and making you ready for the job. Okay, clear everyone? Any questions are there from your side, online students? Chandu, Mahesh, Mokshanya, and Mahesh Kotani, Satya, Sai. Anyone, do you have any questions regarding the topics that I have covered till now? So every day you will be having the session from 10:30 to 11:30, or sometimes if it required, I may take like 15-20 minutes extra when it is required. Okay. And after that, when we start database will be from 12:15 to 1:15. You can attend both, and then you can complete the course. Okay. So any questions do you have, ma'am? Both online and offline students, do you have any questions regarding the course or anything?
मैम डेटाबेस ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి మ్యామ్ క్లాసెస్?
Database will be starting in soon. Maybe once we started today, in other few 20 or 25 days, we will be starting the database. Maybe after Sankranti, because now Sankranti is coming, right? So maybe Jan and or Feb first week, we will be starting database. Yes. Yeah, okay, Sai. Yes, you have missed. So just to see, this is a complete module that I have discussed in the beginning. So you will be learning first in the from the scratch. You will be learning everything. Means I will be teaching like students are joined without any programming, zero programming knowledge. I will be teaching you like what is Java, what is a program, and we will be teaching like how to install also. What there will be many softwares and databases installed required for your complete full stack application. If I'm teaching how to install Java, I will provide the screenshots of it, because seeing that screenshot and following the recording, you can install. Ma'am, I couldn't install it, you can come to the offline if it is possible for you. I will help in installing, or my mentor will be helping you for installing in your laptop. And one more thing, here we have the lab facility in third floor. If those are attending online, I'm telling, if you want to come after Sankranti to offline, you can come, and full day from morning 9 to evening 6 or 7, you can sit here and practice. No problem at all. We will be there to help you in free time. If I'm in the class, my mentor will be helping you. Okay, because assignments I'll give, you will be having MCQ test or mock interviews. You can take the help of them, and you can practice here. So like that, you will be having good knowledge. No, don't worry. If you're non-programming side, if you're not knowing any code, we will teach you from basic thing, so you can easily learn. Okay, Sai. We will teach every basic single concept. We will teach different Java versions and what are the latest Java versions, and what are the enhancements, and how the interview pattern questions are there. Because when you are attending the mock interviews, you will be knowing what kind of questions are asked in real time interview. And you will also be attending few interviews, we you can share these kind of questions are there. So every week also, along with the mock interviews test and everything MCQs, I will also we will also discuss 2 weeks once. I will will prepare some MCQ or interview questions on Java or whatever module we covered. We will ask, I will ask you in class, we will do it as a discussion. Like I will prepare some 100 questions or 50 questions, and I will ask, we can share. So that what, in the course you will be learning 70%, through the interviews and MCQs you will learn remaining things, because everything you cannot learn in the just listening to the class. Everything, if you want 100% from your side also, you have to attend all these things, then you will be ready for the interview. Okay, clear? Yes. Any more questions you have, online students? So utilize the lab and utilize the assignments, mock interviews, and everything that you are providing here. Okay. And so coming to the Java part, what you are going to learn in this backend Java. As I said, in the front end, you will be learning HTML, CSS for the view part. In the back end, you will be learning basically what? Java part. Okay, so what is this Java and what is a program? I will just give you some introduction about this. So first of all, we learn this backend technology to do the coding for your real-time application. So here we are choosing Java. Why only Java when we have C language is there, C++ is there, and so many languages are there? Why we are learning this Java language? Because Java is a purely object oriented programming language. First, come to the question. First of all, what is this program? What is this? Program means what? Program is nothing but it is a set of instructions to perform what? One task. See now, suppose there is a birthday party. We have wanted to go to a birthday party, or let us say one movie. What we will do? We have to plan, right? Okay, movie is at 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock. We have to purchase tickets, we have to get ready, and we have to book a cab or we have to go by vehicle. These are the instructions to go and watch what? Movie. And we'll watch movie and come. Okay, that is our set of instructions to complete the task. What is our task? Watching a movie. In the same way, coming to the programming side, what we will do? Suppose your task is to add two numbers. That's it. Simple task. We will start with a simple task. What is that? Take two numbers, like 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. That is our task. What are the instructions? Take a variable, store 10. Take a one more variable, store 10. And take one more variable, add 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We got the output. That is what? A program. What is a program? Set of instructions to perform one particular task or to complete a task is called program. Now this program different people will do in different ways. Yes or no? Different people will use different ways. Suppose your program is to come and attend the class. Your program is that some people will choose what? May come by walk. Some people may come on cycle or bus or bike or car. So everyone will come and listen to the session, but there is some difference. If you are walking for half an hour and coming here and sitting and listening half an hour to 1 hour, you will be tired and you may not listen up to the mark. But if you are choosing a vehicle which comes fast and you are not tired, then you can put your 100% like attention in the class. Yes or no? Your performance will be good. In the same way, if you are choosing Java programming language, it is more secured and efficient so that your programs will be executed fast. Understood? When you're talking about C and C++, we will talk about the limitations, advantages, and disadvantages. But why we are choosing Java? We can have, we can develop the applications which are more efficient and secured, where we can complete it what? Fast. Understood? So like that we will have the difference in the performance when you are doing with the Java programming language. Got it? First of all, What is a program? It is a set of instructions to perform what? One task. So that program can be done in different languages. C, Java, Python, or any language. But why we are using Java? Because as I said, some real-time example, if you are developing any application in Java, it is a object-oriented and also it is more secured and efficient language than compared to other. So that is the reason it is important. Till now it has come, is being taught for many years, but still it is having very good opportunity, means you can understand how important is that, how real time world is using Java for their applications. Got it? Clear? So, did you understand what is a simple program? It is a set of instructions to perform a task. And to execute this Java programs, we need to install JDK. What is that? JDK. That is Java Development Kit. What is that? Java Development Kit. So we will see how to install and how to do that in the next sessions. But any latest version of Java, you can take it. Now I am using Java 17 version, but you can choose any latest version also and you can install it. Why we need to install this to work with our programs means, suppose you want to play some game in the mobile, any game, what you will do? You will go to Play Store and install that game in your mobile, then only you can play with that. Without installing, is it possible to play with any games or anything? Any game you have to install it, no? So in the same way, our Java programs, whatever program you are writing in Java, they have to get executed, means you have to install the software that is related for the Java. This JDK, what it is providing, what and all you require for your program execution, those all things will be provided by what? JDK. So you have to install it. I will tell how to install and all, everything we will be learning in the coming classes. How to install JDK, how to work with it, different ways how can we work, these all we will be learning in the coming sessions. Got it? And one more very important reason for developing applications in Java is, Java is platform independent. What is this? It is a platform independent. So, what do you mean by platform independent and dependent? Now we are learning, we are doing some course, we are dependent upon our parents, right? Yes or no? That is dependency. Independent means what? When you can work on ourselves without depending upon others and all, that is like what? You're an independent. And coming to the programming, what do you mean by dependent and independence? Platform independent. Now, here I tell the platform as operating system. What is that? Operating system. So, can you tell me some operating systems you know? Anyone from online? What are the operating systems?
Linux, Ubuntu.
Linux, Ubuntu, Windows. Like this, these are the operating systems, no? Suppose if you are developing, yes, if you are developing any application, not in Java, any C or C++, they are not platform independent. You developed one application on Windows and you are giving that application to a person who is using Linux or Unix or Ubuntu, some operating system, then it is not working properly because it is dependent on the operating system that you are using. It will not work on the other operating systems. But if you are developing an application using Java, it will run on all operating systems same. There is no problem. That is what do you mean by what? Platform independent. So since Java is platform independent, you can, whatever applications you are developing using Java, they can run on any platform without any issue. Okay. So how it is working? Yes, it is working fine. Why others are not working? Only Java is working, ma'am. That is the question, right? See now, I am teaching in English. Everyone know English. Let us say everyone know English, you are understanding. But few people are understanding Urdu. Few people know only Hindi and few people know only Telugu. But how to solve this issue? I have to become now independent language so that I should make everyone to understand. What I will do, I will keep one translator here. The translator knows every language. When I'm teaching in English, this translator, okay, you know Hindi, it will convert for you in Hindi. You know Telugu, it will convert for you in Telugu. You know Urdu, it will convert for Urdu. Whatever language you know, the translator will convert according to you. I have sent my recording so that okay, you know Hindi, my translator is converting for you Hindi. In the same way, Java is having one interpreter. What is that? Interpreter. What is the duty of this interpreter? That we call it as JVM, Java Virtual. Everyone might have heard this word at least, right? Java Virtual Machine. This is one interpreter we have in Java. What this will do? It will check with your machine, okay, your Windows operating system, it will convert according to the Windows understandable code. Okay, your Linux operating system, it will convert into the Linux understandable code. Because of this reason, since JVM, which is acting as interpreter, it is converting into the platform understandable code. But is why it is platform independent. C++ is not, or C is not independent language. Those both are dependent. But Java is platform independent because of the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which is like a heart of your Java program. Because this JVM is converting into the machine understandable code. Okay, even though I'm writing the program in English or ABC, it cannot understand. Any machine cannot understand. The machine can understand only the byte code. What it can understand? Byte code, that is ones and zeros. That's why if you purchase any computer, what you will ask? They will ask configuration, yes or no? When you are purchasing any laptop or computer or mobile, whatever electronic device, they will ask like what configuration, which company you wanted. What you will tell? I want so and so GB RAM. Hard disk is like 1,000 or something capacity you will be telling, right? What is that GB or a TB or B? That is bytes. What is that? Bytes. If the RAM is high, 6 GB or 8 GB RAM, then your processor will be what? Fast for gaming or any. If you are installing multiple applications also, it will be faster. What we will do? We will be typing program background, we will be listening music, you may be downloading some movie or some game is background playing. All this have to be parallelly run, means what? RAM capacity should be more. So computer will store the data in terms of what? Bytes. Vegetables means kilograms, milk means liters you will purchase. In the same way, if you are purchasing a computer, they will ask the configuration in terms of what? Bytes. Means computer or any laptop will store the data in terms of what? Bytes. So in Java, we will convert into the byte code or the machine understandable code. Other programming languages also will do the same, but they have compiler only. What is that? Compiler. Compiler will convert into the byte code. Yes, what that machine understands. But same code you are giving for other operating system, byte code will change. For Windows, certain byte code, certain kind of understandable machine code will be there. If you are giving that to the Linux, it will not understand, no? Then what does JVM will do? Okay, your Linux operating system, I will convert into your understandable machine code. Got it? Everyone, every computer will be having the bytecode but different format. Linux will be different, Windows will be different, Ubuntu will be different. So we will develop an application on Java because of JVM. Java is platform independent, but JVM is dependent on your platform. Whatever platform you are using, JVM is what? Dependent on your platform. So seeing your platform, it will convert into your machine understandable code. That is the reason Java is platform independent. If anyone asks you why is Java important, why you are learning Java, this is one of the strongest point you can tell, because Java is a object oriented programming language and it is a platform independent. Everyone will answer interview question, yes, Java is platform independent because it can run on all operating systems same. There is a slogan for Java also, like write once, run anywhere. But why it is working, they will ask. Because why it is platform independent, why others are not platform independent, they will ask the next question. It is independent because of JVM. JVM is making it platform independent. You can explain this. Understood. So, if you are just telling it is platform independent, it is not enough. The interview question, you have to explain it is independent because of interpreter JVM. JVM is making the independency, like it is making the code to run on all operating systems same. Clear all? I'm just telling you why Java is important and what is the Java programming language. Clear everyone? Online students and offline students, is it clear? Okay. What about others? Can you please reply? Sai, Shreya, Satya, Mahesh, Mokshagnya, Swapnil, everyone? Okay. Am I fast or is it okay? Okay, so mostly the sessions will be going on in English, but at the end of the session, if anyone is wanted me to explain in Telugu, I can overall view I can give both offline and online. If you want me to explain at the end, okay, you can wait and you can ask me. After the session, every time, every day, I will give you a chance of asking doubts in between. Also, you can ask, but still, if you wanted to separately ask, you can both wait in online or offline and then you can clarify the doubts and go. No problem according to that. And also, suppose your session starts at 10:30, from 10:20, I will be available. You can join 10 minutes before and you can ask me doubts also. No problem. Okay. And any more questions, ma, about today's session? See, there is nothing additionally to be required. If your Windows operating system, there will be separate JDK for Windows. If it is Linux, there will be separate JDK for Linux. That's it. Any operating system, there is no pre-requirement to install. Tomorrow I will be telling how to install. Okay, don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we will discuss about what is Java, what are Java features, and also we will see how to install JDK and how to work with the program. Those all I will be explaining in tomorrow's session, and try to join everyone on time. Okay. Okay, Sai, there is no special requirement. Clear all? So don't miss the session, and I will inform you about the session whether it is online or offline, how it will be. Because generally we will be having Monday to Friday classes, Saturday, Sunday will be off. Since we have started just today, you will be receiving a message about tomorrow's session, either it is online or offline, or the next session may be Monday. I will inform you. Okay, is it clear, my everyone? And all of you, please message to this number that you have attended demo 1 session. I will message one number in the chat box. Please give a message to that number, because every day now you will be getting my recording session also to you. And notes everything after 3 demo sessions, notes will be given from day 1 also. Okay, just wait 1 second. I will be sharing the number to you. Okay, see all of you, note down this number. Yes, Mahesh, I will be telling about the web application and everything also. Just 1 second, I will share the number. Okay, 8978345335. Okay, all of you just take 1 minute time and share a message like I have attended demo one session, so that they will share you the details and recordings also. 8978345335. All of you, both offline and online students, just give a message. Okay, so now, yes, we are going to develop one web application. As you asked, like what we are going to develop, as I already said in the beginning, by learning this course, we are going to develop some web application. That is what the web development. So there are two things here. Web application is there and website is there. There is some difference. Okay, I will just tell. First, note down the number and give a message. Just 1 minute. Please wait. Mahesh Naidu. Everyone, you can wait and listen about the web application. Okay, no problem. Just 5 minutes. I will just tell about what is web application, website, and everything. Done? Message done, everyone? Okay. See here, what is a web application and what are the different types of applications are there. See now, what are web applications? Any real-time bank application or Flipkart, Amazon, everything is a web application. Now we have Notepad installed on your computer. I think everyone know Notepad, WordPad, Excel, everything. No, just simple. This is one Notepad. So, do I require internet to work with this Notepad? Tell me, do I require internet in your laptop or computer to work with Notepad? Do you need internet connection? Not required, no. But Notepad is also one application, but that is a standalone application which do not require what? Internet. But let us say Facebook. You installed Facebook on your as one simple app, Facebook, Amazon or Gmail, anything. Will this work without internet? Facebook or Gmail? No, right? This is a web application. Facebook, yeah, Gmail or any Amazon, Flipkart, those are called what? Web applications. So, web applications are the applications which are running with the help of internet with a server. Such applications are called what? Web applications. They run with the help of internet on the server, because Facebook is actually not installed in our PC. Facebook team has been installed in their server. Somewhere it is continuously running, that you are using through the internet. Okay, such applications are called what? Web application. Learning this full stack course, you will be learning one web application, how to develop a web application with the help of server. So every company will have their own servers when they are developing one application. They will install that on their server and they will release it on the internet. So through the internet connection only you will work. Without internet connection, you cannot work with the web applications. Understood? And there is website. What is a website? Web application is like Facebook application and everything. Websites will contain multiple web pages. What are those? Multiple web pages. See now, if you are seeing, if I click on like mobiles, it will be opening the mobiles web page. This URL is your website. Understood? Web application is an app which runs on any bank application or any Facebook or anything. Website means which is having what, multiple pages. Got it? So that is the difference, web application and website. So there are different types of applications. When we are learning Java in tomorrow's class, I will tell you different types of application. What are standalone applications? What are enterprise applications? These all we will discuss in detail tomorrow. Okay. Just today I wanted to tell you like what is a web application. An application which runs with the help of internet on a server. Without internet you cannot run it. Clear? Is it clear, Mahesh? Okay. Mahesh Naidu, is it clear? Yes, see, application is something like which will run. Notepad is also an application which will be running on our device. Same as like a program. Program is what? Set of instructions to run. In the same way, application is also developed. If you want to develop any application, you need to learn all these technologies like backend Java, front end one like HTML, and then database. There are applications where you will be learning only with the front end, means what, only for the view purpose. If you want to store the data, again you require what, back end, no, like that. So application is something which will run to execute some part of the code. Anything that can be a simple buying a mobile or playing a game, anything is an what, an application. In mobile also you will store so many applications, right? Like you want Google Pay, you want to purchase anything, you will go to one store, and then you want to purchase some groceries or anything. What you will do nowadays, no one is using money, no, every time Google Pay. GPay is also one application where it is connecting to the bank and deducting from your account and depositing in his account. Such things are called what, applications. Okay, any more questions, ma? Okay, so those who have doubts, they can wait and ask me. Others can leave the session and join again tomorrow at the same time, and they will give a message to your number about the tomorrow session also. Clear? ఓకే. ఆఫ్‌లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యూ ఆల్సో ఇఫ్ యూ హావ్ ఎనీ ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగొచ్చు ఎవరైనా. అర్థమవుతుందా అండి? ఓకే. సో, బిగినింగ్ కాబట్టి ఫ్యూ డేస్ కొంచెం థియరీ ఉంటుంది. వన్స్ మనం కోడింగ్‌లోకి వెళ్ళాము అంటే ఓవరాల్ ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎక్కువుంటుంది మీకు. ఏదైనా టాపిక్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు కొంచెం మీకు బేసిక్ థింగ్స్ డైరెక్ట్‌గా మీకు కోడ్ రాసేస్తే ఏమి అర్థం కాదు కదా! అసలు ఏం నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం, ఏమేమి అవసరం అనేది మీకు తెలియాలి కదా! అందుకని చెప్పాను. ఓకే. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ మెసేజ్ ఇచ్చారు కదండీ అందరూ. అన్నీ నేను చెప్తాను. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ మొత్తం చెప్తాను. అంటే ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్, బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ అండ్ దెన్ డేటాబేస్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు హర్ష సార్ అని ఉన్నారు. సారు ఒక్కోసారి సార్ చెప్తారు. ఎవరైనా ఒకరు చెప్తారు. బట్ మోస్ట్‌లీ మొత్తం నేనే చెప్తాను. ఇన్ కేస్ లేదంటే హర్ష సార్ ఉన్నారు. హర్ష సార్ చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే. థాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్. యాహ్! ఎనీ మోర్ క్వెషన్స్ మహేష్ అండ్ సత్య? యెస్ చెప్పండి.
అది నేను ఆన్‌లైన్ తీసుకున్నాం.
ఉన్నాను. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ మళ్ళీ ఆఫ్‌లైన్ వినొచ్చు. ఎట్లైనా షిఫ్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. మీకు అన్ని ఫ్లెక్సిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. జస్ట్ ఒక మెసేజ్ ఇస్తే చాలు. ఎందుకంటే మేము చెక్ చేస్తామనమాట. ఆఫ్‌లైన్ వచ్చేవాళ్ళు ఆఫ్‌లైన్ వస్తున్నారా లేదా? వాళ్ళు ఆన్‌లైన్ అటెండ్ అవుతున్నారా? జస్ట్ ట్రాక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం అంతే. జస్ట్ ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ చూస్.